Hi, if you sell auto body supply parts, I think you're going to love what I have to show you in this very short video. One Place was designed specifically for auto body supply companies to simplify the process of finding and selling parts. If you open up the program and you click on the Find Parts button, it brings you to the Find Parts screen. And you can enter the customer name and the year, the make and the model and category and part number, any of these that you'd like, and press the green button. And it will then give you a list of all the parts that fit that car. It'll show you the inventory levels in your warehouse and other warehouses of yours. It'll calculate the prices for that item for that customer. If you click on the Show Stock, it'll show you details about those stock levels. If you click on Show Vendors, it'll tell you who you can buy that from and what you might have to pay. If you click on Show Sales History, you can see all of the times you've sold that part in the past, who you've sold it to, what the price was. If you click on Add to Quote, it'll drop it into a quote, and you can email that quote out. If you click Add to Order, it'll automatically create an order for it. So this screen is a great way to save a ton of time finding, pricing, and selling parts. If you have any parts on orders that need to be special ordered, the sales order purchase order screen shows you a summary of all the parts on all the orders that need to be bought out. It'll create the POs for you. It'll automatically create a link to the sales order for you so you know which part is for which order when it comes in. The replenish stock screen, if you put in the different criteria of what you like, you can look at past sales history or min-max levels and compare it to your current inventory levels and what you already have coming in the door, and it will give you a suggested quantity to purchase or to have quoted to replenish all the items in your warehouse. You can email those lists out via Excel to your suppliers and get cost, and then import it back in, and then automatically create purchase orders to send back out to them along with an Excel file. It's a huge time saver for managing your container orders. The Add New Items from Catalog is one of the screens in our Manage Catalog tool that helps you build and manage and keep your catalog up to date with the parts link data. Couple of clicks and it will bring in the new catalog entries each month based on your criteria, and it will create the new items for those as well. The shipping and receiving screen, every time you create an order, it'll drop it into this one screen where you can see everything coming in on POs and stock transfers from other warehouses, everything that needs to go out the door to customers or for stock transfers. It manages the picking, it manages the dispatching, it tells you who's en route to who. It's one place to manage everything in the warehouse. It also works with our scanning system. So this is just a few of the screens that we have created that are specialized for auto body supply companies. This screen is just a quick summary of all the ways that we can help you save more time, increase your sales and profits, and help you gain greater control over your inventory in your warehouse. I've already shown you some of the screens that are highlighted in green. I'd like to mention a few other features. There's a full featured scanning system to help you gain greater control over your inventory of what's coming in the door, where it's stored, what's going out the door to make sure you deliver the right parts, save you days of time counting your items with scanners instead of manually doing that. If your customers use software like CCC1 or OPS Tracks or APU Solutions, when they go to buy the parts to fix the car, your parts can be in those systems so they can easily find the parts they need. And also they're live, and so they can see real time what inventory you have. They can place orders that'll drop into one place in real time. If you use Parts Trader, you know that's extremely manual to figure out what you have in stock and to manually enter prices for those quotes. With our integration, you can do all of that automatically. So it can save you 99% more time using Parts Trader. If you'd like to have a system that you can give your customers a portal, kind of like Order Keystone, where they can find parts and place orders and have them drop into one place, we have a separate portal that works as well. I've already talked about warehouse management. You can see who's picking what, and if they can't find it, it'll send emails to the front office or the salesperson. When it's time to deliver the parts, you can use GPS routing to figure out which parts to load in the truck, and turn-by-turn instructions using GPS routing. So overall, what I'm trying to say is that our system, One Place, can save you days of time each month. It can increase your sales and profits, can help you gain greater control of your inventory. If we can help you control and save inventory even 1% better, it'll pay for itself. So I do hope this has been informational to you, and I hope that you contact us to see a live demo of this. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.